In this video, we are going to give you some insider secrets on prayer. So what I've noticed with many devotees, when they pray, sometimes they're praying with a doubt and they're praying with a fear. I want this to happen. Krishna, please help me to make this happen, or please make it happen. I can't do it, make it happen, or help me make it happen. On the other side, there's a fear that if this doesn't happen, there's going to be a lot of suffering, a lot of pain, a lot of misery, a lot of difficulty. And there's also this, I don't know if Krishna is going to fulfill this. I don't know if he wants to. I don't know if he's hearing me. I don't know if I deserve it, etc. So this kind of prayer is not powerful because it lacks faith in Krishna. I don't know if he's going to fulfill it. If he doesn't fulfill it, what's going to happen? What I suggest, and you can put this into practice and try it and see if it works for you, is pray with faith, pray with a vision that Krishna is fulfilling this. So you envision whatever it is that you're praying for Krishna doing, or with faith that it is going to happen. That is a prayer which I call a prayer with faith. It's a different consciousness. It's a different way of praying. It's a simple idea. But as you pray for something, you're envisioning what you're praying for becoming a reality. This is a short video. I don't want to say much more about it other than it's a lot different from my experience. It's a lot different in terms of the consciousness with which you're praying, and especially with the results. Because when you have faith that Krishna will do something, it's a lot different than when you don't. And when you pray without faith, how do you expect the prayer to be fulfilled if you don't even have faith in Krishna fulfilling it? Or you doubt it in some way. Or you're afraid, what if he doesn't? Doubt. How about just, Krishna, this is what I need your help here. Visualize it as if it's already happening in the present. Have faith that Krishna will make that vision a reality. Try it. I'd love to hear the results you get from this, if this actually works for you. Hare Krishna.